গোৱালপাৰা বাক্সা তিনিচুকীয়াকে ধৰি ভিন্ন প্ৰান্তত বিষ্ণু ৰাভাৰ স্মৃতি দিৱস পালন কৰা হৈছে এই সন্দৰ্ভত চাওঁ
Kublai Pibaro kani ketika Durashan Meghalaya bani periang sobhai Pibaro syakatup kubor mentah kejanmit. Syaban paj ki kubor ki babnya ngin ya pecuai ki mat bukongsan. Lum jinga lang kmi bnya Menteri Rangba halor ka jinglong jingman ka jingshlei Anshim kia ka sarkar yakamat halor ka Sernot ST bat ki Autonomous District Council. Shimti kakong Yaman Langs Im kum ka chairperson ka Meghalaya State Commission for Women. Shimrai ka kinhun Menteri halor ki Reservation roster ha ka bayadai bat ki kam ha ki district. Ai kusnam ka Menteri ka tanat ka rep karyang Shakinong yo Sernot Trisafa ba Tibetam. Ki khobor ki babnya Menteri Rangba ka jilla u Konrad ke sangma hinin kasni ulalum ya ka jingyalang khmi bnya lingba ka video conferencing lembat Menteri ka thanat revenue and disaster management ba Kermen Shilla Chief Secretary ba DP Walang bat ki officer Katanat State Disaster Management Authority ban khmi bnya halor ka jinglong jingman jong ka jingshlei hapo ka jilla namar ka jinghap uslap hakini ki khindiat sngi baladep Menteri Rangba ula shimkhia ya ka jinglong jingman habaro ki district bat ong ba kilat jingerap ba mardor shakilanot ba shakta kadai banlong ka kam ka ba hakmat ha ka jo kapor ula kentu ya ki Deputy Commissioner banlong ki bapet ngor halor ke jinglong jingman kumju ban khmi bnya ya ki jaka badon jingma ula kularu shabaro ki district na benta ke jingkershan baki don kam bat pensngo baki lat jingerap haringkat ke jingsiu ya ka bai lutsan dai ban pendep hapo sapupra kenta ka sarkar jilla kalapan ya ki jingai jingmut bat jing pensngo na ki lai teli ki district council Kenang ba kan la banwan ra ya ka office memorandum ka ban kentop ya kamat halor ka Sernot ST habaro ka we jilla ya ka ni karai lashim hinin kasngi ha ka jingyalang ha ka bayadai bat kamat halor ka ST bat ka jingdon kam jongka kumju ka lineage act ka balamanjer da ka KHADC Menteri ka tanat social welfare ba Paul Lingdo ula ong ba ka jingyalang ka sngo don kam ban don no ya ka jingpen bet rinti ha ka sin jam jong ka ha ka ba pha shaka subject ka bayadai bat ka jinga ya ka ST bat ka Sernot jaka ka badai banlong salansar
the subject of issuance of ST tribe certificate land certificate that should be broad-based and include the entire state of Meghalaya.
Habakran syakilat pathai kubor hadin ka jingalang ka kunhun Menteri hinin kasngi Menteri ka sarkar jilla ba Paul Lingdo ula ong ba ka jingalang kala menjur ya ka kerteng jong ka kong Yaman Lang MCM kum ka chairperson bathamai ka Meghalaya State Commission for Women ka kong CM kala longteng ka chairperson jong ka Meghalaya State Commission for Protection of Child's Right Nalor kani Menteri ulaong baka jingpen slam ha ka bantong ya ka chairperson kadai namar ka jing trekam jong ka model code of conduct ha kani ka election MP badang syudap bat hadien ka jing menjur ban kentiu ya kerta na ka 100% syaka hinyo pusnam
Yaman Lang MCM is being appointed with the approval of the cabinet as the new chairperson of the Meghalaya State Women Commission. the details of the concerned incumbent is that she has vast experience in the field of protection of child and women's rights.
Ha ka jingelang ka kunhun menteri kabala long hinin kasngi ka sarkar kalarai ba yaki reservation roster na benta ka jing thungkam ha kerdan jangki district ki deputy commissioner ki la ban shimrai halor ka roster system ha ka kerdan jangki ka jingbha yaki kam ha ki kerdan jangki district katkum ka bha ka ba prapho na ka shispa yaki khasi jaintia badgaro kumbalong hala ki jangki district kani kan pinkup boru yaki DC ban pinbet yaki kam hala ki jangki district klem da kan joshu sha ka sarkar jilla
of posts which are at the district level. I mean, they need not come up to personnel department or the state government. The finalization of which post comes under which category as per the 80% reservation for Khasi, Jaintia and Garos in the respective districts.
Kamentri bakmi ya katanat ke rep karyang bat kabha kamiat kinong rep ka Dr. M. Amprin Lingdo hinin kesngi kala IT ya ka kusnam syakinong yo sernot trisefa ba tibit tam bat kinong sya hikai ki bala pendep ya ka jingsha hikai jongki Kamentri kala ong baki samla ka jela ki don kam ban phai khmat sya ka rep karyang na ba hakani ka perthai tinju ba menta amla ban kular kam sarkar shabaro kala kenturu ya kinong sya hikai ban ya samlem ya ka jingnang jingtip ka ba kila yo pediang ha ka jing sya hikai ha ka ni ka program ka Dr. Lingdo lembat ka secretary katanat kong Isawanda lalu kila penkop burambat IT ya ka song pisa sya ka second batch female trisafa arpolai bat arpusau
atma ki apelano ban regularize ki regular PPD ka goal of development, PPD tawai ukor central jong kata kajing pengkamti yakini kinong rep ki jongi ki badan saudong jongi kinong rep kumbo ong ibapis kikwa ya ka magic multiplying
USP Barim ka East Khasi Hills Uritu Raj Ravi nekasni habalit mi hakmat ka Meghalaya Human Rights Commission ula kentat ya baro ki jingkeno ba ula persang ban penkenria jubor ya kawe ka long kemi na ribhoy kong bindas em ka bala penlong ya ka jingya ki sya thangan hajaka penyang kali hajan additional secretariat hakamet khandai tarik jeliu Habakran Shakinong Thok Khubor, chairperson ka MHRC, Justice Retired T. Vaipai, ula ong ba uravi shim lapdiang ya kinu ki jingkeno, ki bala kedau haka jing ujor, bat pensengau ba kitai baro kilong ki bam shisha, bat yang haka nongrim, kat kum ka jing batai, kabala dep shim lupa daki pulit, ya kaba la kedau ha ka kai pot jongki. Unong mi khamat barang ba ke BJP bat menteri sarkar jela ba AL Hek ula ong ba ka expert committee kadai ban penne ya ka status quo halor ka bha thungkam watla ula ai jingmut ba ka committee halor ka bha thungkam hapo ka jingkit khli jong ka justice retired mul changhar kadai banwanra jingkala hakamat trekam khlem dakta apat ya ka jinglong jongka kumba ka julong uba hek ula ai jingmut ba man kawe ka jaj benriu kadai ban ai no shiteng na ka ni ka bha shakitu ki ba don bat ki ba yo ka kidai ban ai no shiteng na ka ni ka bha shakitu ki ba yo
Of Khasi Jaintia only, out of the 40% of the Khasi Jaintia reservation, out of 40, my suggestion is it will remain the same only. 40% will be divided into two categories only up to the Khasi Jaintia. 20% for the Khasi Jaintia general and 20% also for the Khasi Jaintia, the poorest of the poor, for the BPL family. The same thing for the Garu also 40%. For out of 40% Garu reservation policy, 20% for general of only for the Garo community, and also 20% only for Garo community, that is for the BPL family.
MP ka Rajya Sabha u Dr. W.R. Khaluki ula penpau bagya ka skim MP jong usnem mang tingka arpo ar bat arpulai kala terekam kat ba ya ka skim jong usnem arpulai arpusau kadang sakut nakadaw jong ka election kani ka jingkren kami hadin ka jingsha kenno ha uwe u YouTuber halor ka jingbam sap bat ka jingbam terekam jong ki skim habakren cekilat pathai kubor henne kasngi u Dr. Khaluki ula ong ba ula long u bakloi ban pediang yakinu kinu ki jing tokit halor kani ka jing keno
who tried to present me as an MP that I was corrupt. And not only that, I have already complained to the cybercrime. Because the way it was presented, I don't know whether you have seen it or not. The way it was presented to me, I feel it was presented in that way. And then, you know, the way that remarks came, of course, not only for me, all the 3 MPs.
U MP ka Rajya Sabha u Dr. W.R. Khaluki ula ong ba ka jingsha rem ka NPP hakane ka election Lok Sabha badang shudep ha Meghalaya ka day nakadaw halor kamat reservation policy ula ong ba ki Khasi Jaintia Hills ki kwa man penbet biang ya ka reservation policy kat ba Nagaro Hills kim kwa man pen kalaya ka ula yaro ya Menteri Rangba ka jilla halor ka jingshim khia jong u halor jong kani ka benta wat lada ka seng kala rem ha ka election u Dr. Khaluki ula kren chai ru ba un ya kunshu ya ka election MP jong ka Rajya Sabha ha kani ka kenti ba minta
As if, you know, we are anti that side, they don't want to review, and they look at the Chief Minister as who cater to the need of the Khasi. But I really appreciate my CM. There are times in politics, for the sake of the unity of the state, it's better that we lose election. But as a statesman, you have to decide what is right.
Kajingya jongki kali lingba ka Surok National Highway 6 ha East Jaintia Hills District Meghalaya kala sangye no hinin ka step na kadaw jongka jingsha thangan ba klembo upor jongka Joint Action Committee lani ka JAC ki ba kentup ya ki khatwai tali ki snong ki ba hap ha ka Surok ba NH6 ki nong shong snong ki la shim ya ka ne ka sen jam ban sha thangan ban pen pau ya ka jing snow diaw halor ka jing snew jongka Surok na tong seng sha Malidor. Hadin ulabba ubalakta ya ke Surok kalawan ra ya ke jingtwa kendau haki babun ki benta Henry nakalyang ka sarkar bat ka NHAI kimshim la maramat mardor ya ke ne ka Surok kabaladon kam kirki e ban penbha ka JAC kala dawa na ka benta ka penbha bapura ya ke ne ka Surok ba kaseng kala rai ru bakin yai beteng ya ke ne ka jingsha thangan tat hadu ba ka jingdawa jongki kampat seso na ka benta ka jingshingan bat jingbha jong ke ne ka Surok ba NH6
Ningun ban nikum kinang ilam sunang ban supe bila kemat ya kita jing ba kata ka daw ngi ba pa ini la Surok kada langkar bolong ro ngi lada hap do sulap lawan daga eriong ro kad bawan ro ngi song be Surok
nakadaw ka jingjur uslap kalawan ra ya ka jingtwa khendo ha ka Surok nongston sha mau ej hinin kasngi kabalawan ra ya ka jingdheng kali ka bajur kabala penthut ya ka lech kawan bat ya ka jingtwa ki khendo bat la penwet ya ka Surok na kani kadaw kakta amtang ya ki nonglech nongwan henry wat ya ki kali kit ya ki mar bat ki wei ki jing shakri Kalimpong District Level Inter-School Subruto Cup balapan ya daka District Sports Officer Riboy District kalakutno hinin kasngi Hamadan Nongjeri uba Charles Marngar ubade UMLA bat MDC jongkamau hati constituency ulalong kum ukongsan ha ka jingyale kai ka Christian Higher Secondary School kalayo ya ka jingjap ha ka thup ki kinthei ki ba hapo khat news nem karata ka Nongjeri Presbyterian Secondary School kalayo ya ka jingjap ha ka thup ki shinrang ki ba hapo khat san snem karata but ka Minken Secondary School kalayo ya ka jingjob ha ka thup jong kishin rang ki ba hapo ka khat news nem karta kini ki kenhun ki ba job kin mi khmat nari bhoi district ha ka state level subruto cup minta ngin ya pet ya ka jinglong jingman ka sun beneng hanong ba shillong ka jing shet ka long apusan point hinriu degree celsius bat ka jing kriat ka long khan riu point iwei degree celsius ka jing sngam ka hau ka long khandai pusan na ka spa men step bat khandai punyo na ka spa janmin ka jing hap slap ka long iwei point not millimeter kala bandon ka jing hap slap ka bamlumala bat ka jing ted upar that hagi babun ki jaka Syaban poi syaka bakut jong katup kubor ngin ya pet biang sen yakimat bakongsan Lum jingyalang kemi benia Menteri Rangba halor ka jinglong jingman ka jingsleo. Anshim kia ka sarkar ya kamat halor ka sengnat ST but the Autonomous District Council. Shimti ka kong yaman lang scheme kum ka chairperson ka Meghalaya State Commission for Women. Shimrai ka kinhun menteri halor di Reservation roster ha ka bayadai bat hitam hati district. But I kusnam ka menteri ka kanat karep karyang syakinong yo sengat fisafa bat bitam. Ti parlo katungil apoi syaka bakut jang katup kubor jengi minta ke janbet hadup indai syambiang bat pila syai kesni kublai pi baro.
Government cancelled UGC NET examination 2024 over integrity concerns, also orders CBI probe. Arunachal Pradesh Chief Minister Pema Khandu